Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain two things in Excel. The first one is how to fill a default value to an empty cells and how to remove the empty rows in Excel sheet. Let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. I have just opened the Excel application. The file name is student.st. For this example, I am taking the sheet 5 data, and this sheet 5 contains some student record marked sheets. Now my aim is, let's add some empty rows between this table. Insert row, again insert row, insert. Now if you notice here, I have some, let's add one more empty. Okay, now if you notice here I got some empty rows between this table. Now my aim is, I will show you the first thing, wherever the empty cells are there or rows, I want to add some default value like nil or not available, something, our default message I want to display on empty cells in the empty rows. So first thing, you need to highlight the data from student number 1 to I just highlighted the 13 student records with empty rows. Now first I want to display the default value on empty cells. So for that, in the home tab, notice at the corner at the last there is a find and select option is there. Click that one. In the find and select there is go to special. Click that one. In the go to special, select the radio button blanks. After that, click OK. Once you click the blank, now don't click on the cell. Just simply type wherever in the white cell is there. Let's add nil. After adding nil, press Ctrl Enter. Notice here I got all the nil. Let's add some styles with a red color. That's it. And once again I'm telling, press Ctrl Enter after adding some default value. Now the second thing, let's delete this nil. Now I want to delete these empty rows from this table. Again go to home, same thing, find and select. Go to special, again select the blanks, click OK. Now this time I want to delete the empty rows from this table. Now after selecting the empty rows, most of the people, what they will do is, they right click on this row numbers, which is wrong. You should right click on the selected row. Right click, I am selecting here, right click the mouse, click delete. Here we got a message, delete shift cells up. I am selecting the option called shift cells up, click OK. Notice here, all the empty rows has been deleted. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained two things, how to add a default value to an empty cells, and the second tutorial is how to remove the empty rows from a table. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.